Guess what?
What?
I got a surprise for you while you were at school today. Do you want to see what it is?
Yeah.
Okay. I need you to put away your tablet and cover your eyes. Are you peeking?
No.
Okay. I'm going to put it on the table and then you can see, okay? Okay.
Now?
Now.
Whoa!
What is it?
The X-Alien!
Yeah, bud. I can't wait for you to open this. This is going to be so much fun.
I need help, Mom.
Okay, so I think this is the trickiest part. We're just going to say peel here. Do you see that peel here?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to take that little strip. We're going to go all the way down. At least try. Ta-da!
Mommy is so awesome.
Okay, we're almost there. Oh, almost there, bud. So this one is really cool because it has new glow in the dark ooze. What's your favorite part? Because we've done this one before. What's your favorite part about this?
My favorite part is...
What's your favorite part about doing this whole thing?
My favorite part is digging out the guy.
Digging out the guy. So you gotta cut his belly open. Here. Are you ready to do it?
No, there's two tables.
There's still more stuff. Let's see. It says ooze container. There we go.
Here we go.
All right, so you gotta pull it apart.
Yeah!
Okay, hold on.
So I actually don't know how to take this out, but I do know how to open it. This one.
Cool. All right, I think it has instructions right here.
Yeah, we have to take the head off.
Hold on, let's read the instructions. It says, number 1, fill head with ooze. Number 2, squeeze ooze. Interesting.
We need to cut the tummy open.
All right, let's take off the head first. Go for it. And we're going to take this off.
And let's cut it open.
1 minute, stop. Go.
Oh, look, there's a tweezer and a knife. So, Mom, look at my alien open. My alien open.
Oh, you're getting far.
Mom, it's getting open. No one open. It's like,
I wonder if you could pull it off now. Oh, good job. Oh, my goodness. Wow.
Oh,
That
look.
looked like hard work. What is that?
A bone.
It's his rib cage. Okay, what else is in there?
I guess again. Dun, dun,
Cool. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay. Is that all that's in there? All right. So on this instructions, it says you got to cut there.
With scissors.
With scissors. I think you might be able to do it.
Yuck.
There's a brain.
And then we got, we got 2 mystery bags. Okay. Then we're gonna pinch it, and then we're gonna grab it.
Ew.
A key.
You got a key.
A gun.
A gun.
Ooh,
Okay.
I see a robot arm. And I see mystery backing. Look at it, Mom.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Ew.
I'm not gonna touch it anymore.
You're not going to touch it? You've got this, babe.
It's so grossy. Huh? It looks like a music guy.
A music guy. What?
We got this guy.
Let me see. Oh, he's a DJ. He's an alien DJ.
Oh, let's put his gun in his hand. We don't know which one to put in, so we'll just start to the back. Okay, I don't know how. But let's play with our slime.
What's in that bag?
I don't know. Can you open it, please?
Sure, let me help you with that.
Oh my god.
Go for it.
Okay, so guys, this time I get to cut it open.
With some scissors. Remember, only use scissors if you ask Mommy and Daddy.
I think we just used not working.
Yeah, it didn't really work very well. Good job.
But we still need to get the line.
Nice, babe.
But we're
I think that's good, honey.
orange.
Something orange.
And I see some more orange. And more. And more. And it is...
What is it?
a rocket.
A rocket. What? Cool.
So we got the slime. Ew, look at it. Whoa.
Whoa.
And we get to take it. What? Why we don't get to take a head off?
Oh, his head does not come off. Remember the last one we got? The head kept falling off, so it's probably better.
Oh, I'm gonna put this in the head. Let's do it, guys. The head is so hot.
Oh, that looks so gross. So squishy.
Oh, look how much I'm putting in, guys.
You're almost done.
I'm done.
You're done.
And what?
Oh.
Oh, slime goes out of his mouth. It sounded like he farted, Mom.
It did? Very cool.
Can also take the slime out.
What else can you do with it? Take it out and...
Oh, when you're done, you get to put this in here. So right now I'm gonna play with my guys. Oh no! Ah, big slime! Oh no, the DJ and the maniacs are getting slime. Ew, and the dirty slime. Bunga 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 bunga. Ew. Walking in the Christmas tree. I think it's a gun.
You think it's a gun? It's pretty cool.
Gun.
All right, Ash. Which guy did you get?
I got that guy.
That guy. His name is Mech Maniacs. And we also skipped the instructions. There's definitely instructions. But I think we did everything right. What do you think?
Yes. We cut the tummy open.
Oh, let's see which treasure you got. Did you get a critter?
What's a critter?
One of these guys? See which critter you got.
One.
You got critter number 2.
Critter number 2.
Very cool.
And you can also do this. Whoa, 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 whoa. And you can make it stretch. Whoa, 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 whoa. And you can tie the DJ up. Oh, no, I get slime. Spam, 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 spam. There's all guys you can collect. get the ninja. We can get the guy with the hot dog. We can get the brain guy. We can get the guy with the astronaut head. We can get the guy with the teeth and the one eye on his helmet. And we can get the last that guy.
Very cool.
I take a while, kids. Oh, I did it.
Good job. All right.
Guys, today, thank you for watching our video. Subscribe and like. And